my 2003 Ford Explorer 4.0 V6. I already know that it's got a leaking throttle body. Leaks out of that shaft right there. I want to show the leak. I got everything hooked up. You see the smoke? There's the smoke. Yep, see, coming right up on the throttle shaft. All right. Looks like it's coming out of the TPS as well. Sensors. If I can get a quicker response off any of this. Trending downstreams are showing a little rich. Bank 1 is coming down. Now it's gonna get down the lean. Start spraying. Let's display some data here. We'll look in here for data. And we'll go custom scale, deselect all, and we'll do, let's look at the mass airflow sensor again. Bank 1, bank 2, bank 1, bank 2, voltage, 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 voltage. And we'll throw that in there too. And we'll look at the graph. And where are we at here? Alright, here's my experimental one. I already took it apart. I have to figure out how to get those back on But you got to get these screws out. You need a hacksaw or something to cut the ends off. The ends that go on the opposite side of the screw are flattened out. I have the other one over here, I'll show you. You see on the back side they're flattened out, so you're not going to be able to unscrew them. You probably could, but I didn't want to take a chance of messing up the threads. That's the original one. This is a junkyard one. But when I got it apart, first you take those out, right? And then you have to hold that, and then you have to push. You have to push it out. You might tap it. Comes out, okay. And then you got the springs here first. You have to contend with. But when you get this apart, you'll notice there's O-rings on here. So it's worth it to me to try it. So I'm going to replace these O-rings, put it back together, and see what happens. Never seen anybody rebuild one of these. Something to take note here. These right here, it'd be better if I pull away. These are bearings. Okay, I thought that was grease. That's melted plastic. I guess that's how they keep them in there. So the O-rings may not fix it, because if you can see in here, they might be able to leak past that section there, okay, and possibly out of the bearing. So I'm still going to try it. I've already replaced the O-rings, and I'm going to pack it on the inside there pretty good with grease. Here it is all back together. I put a bunch of grease in there. Whether it's the correct grease or not, I don't know. That's debatable. I don't really care. This is an experiment. I did put Loctite on those, red Loctite. I don't plan on taking it apart again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on there. Some smoke rolling. Now, I'm not super confident. Just figured I'd try it. Might take a little while. It's coming out of the EGR. Might take a little while. All right, coming out of the EGR pretty good. All right. It looks like it's not coming out of the throttle body, and I'm not filming any of this. It's not coming out of the throttle body, which makes me happy. So the EGR is just the one. I would say that's a success, and yeah, it's coming out pretty heavy on that, but it is not coming out of the throttle shaft anymore. All right, so I believe that's a fix for that. I fixed the throttle body leak, and I had a problem with mass airflow was over-reporting a lot. I mean, it's a lot better now. It's making a liar out of me. But I'm not sure if I'm not sure what normal is on this. I'm gonna have to check. All right, so I mean, you're starting to get up there.